Good morning. Was I in the center already? Did you see me? All right, let's see here. Court will begin with March 29th, 2022 docket. And we're on YouTube, by the way. And Mr. Munoz, good morning. How about his client? We're gonna. I don't know if they're in your office. Are they in your office by any chance, Mr. Munoz? Your clients?
Judge, the one that's here in the conference was with me, and I'll turn the device around, is Carlos Ivan Ramirez, Your Honor. The other gentleman, which is Alejandro Rico Ramirez, we had given him the Zoom information, and he's supposed to be logging in. I'm Carlos Ivan, Judge. He is here in the conference room. I'm going to turn the device around, but he does need the services of an interpreter, Judge.
Oh, okay, that was number 12 here, Carlos Ivan Ramirez. Okay, I guess we can start with him.
Okay, let me turn the device around so I can.
Okay. Okay. And the other one is number. All right, Carlos. I'm sorry, here we go. CR 22000909D, Carlos Ivan Ramirez. All right, please raise your right hand, Mr. Ramirez.
Por favor, levanta tu mano derecha, señor Ramírez.
You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura que el testimonio que va a dar es la verdad, solamente la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Claro, sí.
All right, good morning, sir.
Buenos días.
Your charge is a DWI case, Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
A usted lo acusan de una clase A. Bajo la ley es no más de una multa de $4,000 y no más de un año en la cárcel. ¿Usted comprende eso?
Sí.
Yes.
And today, how do you plead, sir? Guilty or not guilty?
Y hoy, ¿cómo se declara usted, señor, culpable o no culpable?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
All right, it'll be a not guilty. And by the way, Mr. Munoz, do you know if he's got the interlock device?
Judge, he brought the paperwork from the bond judge. I was just reviewing it with him, but if the court can just send me the form of the places so I can have him get the mobile, judge, because he's not driving. But as a condition of the bond, I can work with him to do that.
All right. We need to set it for status.
Okay.
That'll be April 14 at 10 a.m. for status. And if you get it before then, I mean, let us know and we'll probably not even have to show up on that day. But for right now, status or compliance hearing on 4/14, 10 a.m.
Señor Ramírez, usted tiene que regresar aquí a corte el día 14 de abril a las 9 de la mañana. Eso es para enseñarle a la corte prueba de que usted ya tiene el aparato, el móvil. Ese aparato, si usted lo puede conseguir antes de esta fecha, es importante que usted se comunique con su abogado. Usted le manda la evidencia a él y luego ya entonces él se la manda al oficial y entonces ya no se tiene que presentar. ¿Ok?
And by the way, it's 10 a.m.
A las 10 de la mañana, perdón.
I think you said 9 a.m.
A las 10 de la mañana.
Mr. Martinez, will you be needing his phone number or anything like that?
Yes, Judge, please.
His phone number.
Señor Ramírez, ¿me puede dar su teléfono, por favor?
Celular.
No tengo teléfono.
No.
¿Le puedo dar uno, Miguel?
Give me a second, Judge? I can get the number.
Oh, okay.
It's 956 483 6362.
Thank you.
483-6362.
Yes, 956.
All right. That'll do it for Mr. Ramirez. Please, sir, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending. Okay, sir?
Señor Ramírez, es importante que tras este caso esté pendiente de que usted no esté tomando alcohol, por favor.
Okay, sir. Have a great day. Stay safe, okay?
Pase buen día.
Bueno,
Thank
Judge,
you.
can I just be temporary excuse to see if I can get the other client on?
Sure,
and see what's
sure.
going on?
Yes, that'll work.
Okay.
Thank
Okay.
you.
I have Mr. David Moreno, number 1, with his client, Mr. Martinez.
Okay. Number 1. Mr. Godina, there you are. All right. Good morning, Mr. Godina. And let me try to get Mr. Martinez, Remigio Martinez. Hello? Hello. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, next case here, CR 21-03-246, Dean Remigio Martinez. Your charge, DWI, Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. How do you plead today, sir? Guilty, not guilty?
Not guilty.
Court will enter a not guilty plea. And Mr. Martinez, do you happen to have the interlock device on your vehicle?
No, I currently do not have a vehicle.
Okay, because you either need the mobile device, the portable, or the vehicle, on the device on your vehicle. Because your charge is a Class A misdemeanor DWI, that is mandatory that you have one or the other. We need to do an order. Well, first of all, we'll do a status hearing, April 14, 10 a.m. April 14, 10 a.m. And could we have your phone number, Mr. Martinez?
Yes, sir. It's 361-396-7610.
7610?
Yes,
There we
sir.
go. All right, 361 and 396
Yes, sir.
7610. All
Yes,
right.
sir.
All right. So then you're going to be getting an order. So you can, with a list of vendors, you can go find the interlock device or the portable. And we're going to set the hearing for 4/14, 10 a.m. so you can show us that you have complied. Show us some proof. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so at this time, we'll enter a not guilty plea and please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending. And you have a great day. Okay, sir?
Yeah, likewise, sir.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Mr. Guarena, anything else?
That's all I have, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. You too have a great day.
Likewise.
If
Bye-bye.
Mr. Munoz can get back on, I think this is his client. But he's
Okay.
logged under
Oh, okay.
no name.
No name, or should we say unknown? All right. But earlier we tried to bring him in and he was having problems, and I guess he's still having the same technical problems.
That's him, right?
Mhm. This is where you need some child in the house that can help you.
No, he just needs to move around. He doesn't have any connection.
Yeah. What's his name? What number? Or we're gonna have to put him on the phone. Just put him on the speaker. Mr. Munoz, can you hear me? What number is it at?
Number 9.
Okay, he's walking around. Maybe that'll change the. All right. Gonna go ask for help.
Judge, I'm sorry, Judge. I think Mr. Alejandro Ramirez is on, Your Honor. He
Yes.
was on right now.
Yes, we're trying to get him on. He's trying to get audio. He's got video. But what we can do, Mr. Munoz, is put him on speaker. We get him on the phone. And I think he can hear us and we can communicate that way.
Okay. Mr. Ramirez, ¿me puedes? Shows him connecting to the audio, Judge. I think right now I'm just going to remind him about the video. Okay. Mr. Ramirez.
He still doesn't have it on.
Yeah, he still has no audio.
Mr. Ramirez. Ahí abajo debe de ser algo donde puedes...
Yeah, what we can do is, like I said, put him on speaker on your cell phone, and I think we can hear him.
Okay, just let me get my office to have him.
Yeah, get him on speaker, and then we'll go that route.
See, Mr. Ortega, what case is that?
Yeah, let me see if I get somebody else, Mr. Munoz. Mr. Ortegon, and who's that?
I don't show him the.
Yeah, Carlos. Maybe he's here for somebody. All right, Mr. Ortegon is already on the screen.
Good morning, Judge.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Mr. Ortegon. Which is your client?
Michael Leo from La Jolla, Texas, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. Michael Leo. Is he the gentleman that works with at Palmview City Hall?
That's his dad, and Billy Leo's his grandson.
Ah, okay. There we go.
Yes.
Number 15 for me.
The late Billy Leo.
The late Billy Leo. There you go. Actually, I got to know Leo J. Leo.
You know, I
Billy.
never had the honor.
Billy's father. Oh, yes. I got to talk to him a few times. Okay, here we go. Mr. Michael Leo, can you hear me, sir? He needs to unmute.
And just for the record, Your Honor, he does have the safeguard or the garden interlock installed, and he can provide that.
All right, thank you, sir. All right, good morning, Mr. Leo.
Good morning.
Please raise your right hand. You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You may put your hand down. CR 22-02026D, Michael Leo. Your charge, DWI, Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead today? Not guilty?
I get it.
Court will enter a not guilty plea, and your attorney just told you have safeguard interlock device.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very well. Pretrial date, Mr. Ortegon, is going to be September 28, 23. You heard right, 23. However, if your client changes his mind and you want us to bump up the case, let us know, okay, sir?
Well, what time, Judge, on September 28th of 2023?
I'm sorry, 9 a.m.
9 a.m.
September 28, 23, 9 a.m. In the meantime, Mr. Leo, please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Okay, on this case,
okay.
if he can file a motion to substitute, unless he already did with an order, because we show Veronica Sepulveda.
Oh, okay. We need an order to substitute there, Mr. Ortegon.
Okay, Judge.
Okay.
I'll call my office right now.
All right. You guys stay safe and you're excused, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Likewise.
Number 16, Mr. Frank Guerra.
Mr. Frank Guerra,
And
okay?
he's got Enrique Peña.
Okay, Mr. Guerra. It's connecting. And we're going to be doing it. Enrique Peña, right?
Sorry.
All right. Can you hear me, Mr. Peña?
No audio.
No audio from Mr. Peña. Mr. Guerra, can you hear me?
Good morning, Your Honor. Frank Guerra on
All right.
behalf of Mr. Peña.
All right. Good morning.
He's trying-
Okay, now Mr. Peña needs to unmute.
Hello?
There you go. Good morning,
Oh,
sir.
yeah. Good morning.
Sir, your case, CR 22-02075D, Enrique Peña, is a Class A misdemeanor DWI. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead today? Guilty, not guilty?
Not guilty.
Court will enter a not guilty plea for you in this case. And do you happen to have the interlock device on your vehicle?
Do I have a what, sir?
The interlock device
No,
on your
sir.
vehicle? Okay, not even the portable on your own?
No, sir.
Okay, because it's a DWI Class A misdemeanor. It is mandatory that you have either the portable or the interlock device. Could we have your phone number so we can give you an order?
Yes, 956
Uh-huh.
561 7868.
7868.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, in the meantime, Mr. Guerra, we will set this case for April 14 for status hearing. What is it?
Compliance.
April 14, 10 a.m.
Yes,
for,
Judge.
for compliance. That'll be the show of proof that he's got the interlock device.
Yes, Your Honor. We'll be back.
Okay. In the meantime, Mr. Peña, please no alcohol consumption while this case is pending. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. Y'all stay safe and y'all excuse. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Mr. Munoz está.
Mr. Munoz, round 3.
Third time's the charm, Judge. Third
Aren't
time
you
is the
glad
charm,
nobody's
right?
on the other side with the boxing gloves? Okay, it's round 3.
I think
It's
Mr.
round
Ramirez already
3 already.
connected to audio and video, Judge, so I think we should be good, hopefully.
Okay, let's check round 3. His name, what number is? 9. I should already know by now is the number, right? Number 9, Mr. Ramirez, Alejandro Ramirez. But
No, I don't.
I think no audio. By the way, Mr. Munoz, will he need interpreting?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Why don't we just put him on the phone? I mean, we see him already. Just put him on the
Do
cell
I
phone.
just have him? I have him call.
Yeah. You call him and just put him on speaker, and we can do the plea through speaker.
Okay. Okay, just let me do that right now.
Okay. Okay. So there will be around 4.
Is Mr. Wayland's in his office?
Mr. Whalen, good morning. Can you hear me, sir? Which is
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Sorry, I need to-
I have number
Which-
13.
Oh, number 13. Okay, number 13. That'll be
Anguiano.
Omar Anguiano. Is there an Omar Anguiano? There's this guy here with,
Is he in his office?
he's not in your office, is he, Mr. Whalen? Oh, there he is. Okay, good. You need to unmute, Mr. Whalen. What number 13 in? 13. There you go.
There we go.
All right. Good morning, sir. And so Mr. Anguiano is there next to you, right, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, very good, very good. CR 2202-007D, Omar Isaac Anguiano. Mr. Anguiano, your charge DWI Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. How do you plead this morning, sir? Guilty, not guilty?
Not guilty.
Court will enter a not guilty plea. And by the way, do you happen to have the interlock device on your vehicle?
No.
No?
No.
Okay.
No, Your Honor. He has
Okay.
it.
All right. It's mandatory because of the Class A charge. We need his phone number. Can we have your phone number, Mr. Anguiano?
956
Uh-huh.
376 5751.
5751.
Yeah.
All right. We're going to be giving you an order and a list of vendors so you can go find one. Meanwhile, Mr. Whalen, we'll set the matter for April 14th at 10 a.m. for a compliance hearing. April
Yes, Your Honor,
14th.
we've submitted a PTD about 10 days ago, so it won't be ready by then, but I just wanted you to know that we submitted it.
That you're going to be working on it. Okay, very good.
Yes.
Hopefully everything goes well. So, and besides for the PTD, should you be successful, you will need the interlock device. So it's good that you get it right away. Okay.
May
So
he
in the
get the
meantime,
portable one?
he could get the portable or the interlock device.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. And Mr. Anguiano, please, no alcohol consumption while this case is pending. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, you're excused. You have a great day. You too, Mr. Whelan.
You too, Judge.
Bye-bye.
Have a good day.
Judge, the fourth time, I think.
Fourth round. Here it is.
Yes,
We're here.
I have on my speaker right here, Judge. Mr. Martinez, ¿los puedes escuchar? Mr. Ramirez?
Sí.
Okay.
Okay. A little bit louder if you can, but we hear. We
Un
hear.
poquito más fuerte, señor Ramírez. Yo le voy a traducir. Usted nada más conteste en voz alta, por favor.
Okay.
There you go. Perfect, man. See,
Ahí
technology is
está
good.
perfecto.
Okay. CR 21-09-543D, Alejandro Rico Ramirez. Your charge DWI Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. Do you understand that, sir?
En su caso, señor Ramírez, CR 2109543D, el estado de Texas contra Alejandro Rico Ramírez. A usted lo acusan de andar manejando en el estado de ebriedad, que es una clase A. Bajo la ley es no más de una multa de $4,000 y no más de un año en la cárcel. ¿Usted comprende eso, sí o no?
Sí.
Yes.
How do you plead today, sir? Guilty, not guilty?
Y hoy, ¿cómo se
Not-
declara usted, señor? ¿Culpable o no culpable?
Not guilty, Judge.
All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea. And by the way, Mr. Ramirez, do you happen to have the interlock device or the portable?
Señor Ramírez, ¿usted tiene el aparato de alcohol en su vehículo?
Lo traigo en la mano. Es normal.
Okay.
El Movo. ¿Con qué compañía, señor Ramírez?
Aquí lo traigo.
Okay. It'll be a pretrial date, right? Pretrial, 9/28.
¿No sabes la compañía? Ahí no dice, señor Ramírez.
Es Carlos Aguilar.
Okay, he's probably the I'm sorry.
The bondsman.
No,
The
probably
person he talks to.
yeah, probably he talks to
¿Cómo se llama la compañía con la que vas?
Safeguard
Wait.
or
Wave. Se llama Wave.
Wave.
Sí. Y aquí te la dejan.
Sí, nomás ahorita te voy a pedir la información a señor Ramírez para averiguarlo y para mandarlo a la corte, ¿ok?
okay.
Okay.
Well, he's got the portable. Okay, Mr. Ramirez and Mr. Munoz, pretrial date September 28th, 2023 at 9 a.m. Now, if you need us to bump it up, Mr. Munoz, please let the court know. Okay, sir.
Yes, I will, Your Honor.
Okay. And meanwhile, Mr. Ramirez, please no alcohol consumption while this case is pending. Okay, sir.
Señor Ramírez, es importante que mientras este caso esté pendiente de que usted no esté tomando, por favor.
Okay, sir.
No, ya no estoy tomando, ya no tomo yo.
Okay.
I'm not
That's,
drinking anymore.
okay,
I'm not
that's
drinking
good.
anymore.
That's good to hear.
Okay, bueno saber.
You're excused. Have a great day. Okay.
Se puede retirar, que pase buen día.
You too, Mr. Munoz. Have a good day.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge. Yeah,
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. Okay. Bueno, Catherine Perez.
Yes, that is number
Catherine Perez will be number
21.
Number 21. Miss Perez. Miss Perez, the number 21, way in the bottom here. And she represents Raúl Maldonado.
And he's connected.
Okay, he's connected. Okay.
And I have Mr. Juan Tijerina. Let's see who connects first.
Okay.
And Laura Lagunes.
Mr. Tijerina, can you hear me?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, Judge.
Your client is Laura Lagunes?
Correct.
Give me a number. That'll be number 20. Okay.
She's connected.
All right. Can you hear me, Miss Lagunes? There you go. She can already hear
She's
me. Now. Can
Spanish
you hear me?
speaking, Your Honor.
Señora Lagunes, ¿escuchas al juez?
Sí, así es.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
Your case, CR 22-022-79D, Lara Lagunes, your charge is a DWI Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand?
En el
that, ma'am?
caso tuyo, Laura, es CR 22-02279D, el estado de Texas contra Lara Lagunes. A ti te acusan de andar manejando en el estado de ebriedad, que es una clase A. Bajo la ley es no más de una multa de $4,000 y no más de un año en la cárcel. La pregunta es, ¿tú comprendes eso, sí o no?
Son $4,000 que tengo que pagar de multa.
No, eso es lo que dice la ley. Hasta,
ok.
puedes pagar hasta $4,000. ¿Comprendes
ok.
eso, sí o no?
Sí, sí.
Yes.
And how do you plead this morning, ma'am? Not guilty or guilty?
Y esta mañana, ¿cómo te declaras? ¿Culpable o no culpable?
So she pleads not guilty, Your Honor, and asks for
All
a
right.
pretrial date.
We'll enter a not guilty plea here. And Miss Lagunes, do you happen to have the interlock device in your vehicle?
Laura, ¿tienes tú el aparato en tu vehículo, el aparato de alcohol?
No, tengo el portátil, Miss.
Okay.
El portátil.
Okay. Under what name is the vendor?
¿Con qué compañía, Laura?
Con Safety Check.
Safety Check?
Sí.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Tirina, we'll do a pretrial date, 9/28, September 28, 23 at 9 a.m. If you need us to bump it up, please let the court know. We'll bump it up. And in the meantime, Ms. Lagunas, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, ma'am?
Laura, tu caso se le va a poner una fecha para el 28. ¿Le puedes decir a las personas que están atrás que no estén hablando?
Ok, sí.
Ok, el caso tuyo se va, la fecha nueva es el 28 de septiembre del año 2023 a las 9 de la mañana. Es importante que mientras este caso esté pendiente no estés tomando ni manejando.
Ok, ma'am.
Si hay cambio en la fecha, tu abogado se comunica contigo.
Ajá, el 28 de septiembre voy a tener otra corte.
Del 23, del año próximo.
Ah, ok, el 23, el 28 del 23.
Sí.
Yes, but if the case needs to be bumped up, we'll do it, okay, ma'am? We'll get it earlier.
Pero si el caso tuyo se tiene que hacer antes de tiempo, lo podemos poner antes de esa fecha.
Ok.
But the main thing, ma'am, is no alcohol consumption while this case is pending, okay?
Ahorita lo más importante es de que no estés tomando mientras este caso esté pendiente.
Ok.
Okay, ma'am. Have a great day. Mr. Terina, you have a great day too, sir.
You
Excuse.
too, Judge. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Bye-bye, huh? Okay. All right. What do we have next?
I don't know, Miss.
Oh, Miss Perez.
Ever answer.
Miss Perez, okay, we have Miss Perez. Maldonado has been trying to connect for the longest time there.
I'm going to bring in number 18, Joe Bravo. I don't know if his client is.
Is with him? Okay, let's
If
see.
he's
Miss
had any contact with him. Randy Hernandez.
Hernandez. Okay. Mr. Bravo is connecting. Okay, Mr. Bravo's now responding. Just Contreras. Oh yeah, Mark Anthony and Mr. Contreras. Let's try it. Let's try it. All right, this Mr. Contreras. And we need Mark Anthony. Good morning, Mr. Contreras.
We said for an arraignment, Your Honor?
Yes, sir. Good morning. You have Mark Anthony Rodriguez, right, sir?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay, he's trying to connect right now. I see him there on the screen. Okay, now he needs to unmute. Okay, Mark, can you hear me? You need to unmute, Mark.
Hello?
Oh, there you are. Okay, good morning,
yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Your case, CR 22-02018D, Mark Anthony Rodriguez, DWI Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead this morning, sir? Good, not guilty?
Yes, sir.
All right, court will enter a not guilty plea. And then I have a question. Do you happen to have the interlock device in your vehicle?
I have the portable, sir.
The portable, okay. Under
Yes,
what
sir.
name? Under what vendor? What is the name of the vendor?
Safety check.
Okay, that was gonna be my guess. Safety check.
Yes, sir.
All right. Then Mr. Contreras and Mr. Rodriguez, we're gonna
Yes, sir.
set the case for pretrial 9/28/23. 9/28/23. However, Mr. Contreras, if you need us to bump up the case, let the court know, okay, sir?
Yes, Your Honor. Sure will.
All right. And in the meantime, Mr. Rodriguez, please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, you both may be excused. You both may have a great day.
You too.
Okay, thank you.
You too,
All right,
Judge.
bye-bye.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Alex Munoz,
Alex,
7 and 8.
7 and 8.
He has Mr. Arnold Bautista.
Okay. Mr. Alex Munoz, good morning, sir.
Morning, Judge.
You have Arnold Bautista Jr., right, sir?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, Arnold needs to unmute. He needs to unmute. There it is. Can you hear me, Arnold?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
You have two cases. CR 21-09-512D, Class B misdemeanor, interfering with public duties. And then CR 21-09-513D, Arnold Bautista Jr., Class A misdemeanor. That's the DWI. On the Class B misdemeanor, the first one, the potential penalty can be up to 180 days in jail and not more than a $2,000 fine upon conviction. On the Class A DWI, the potential penalty can be up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
All right. And how do you plead for both cases? Not guilty?
Not guilty.
Court will enter a not guilty plea here for both cases. And I have a question there, Mr. Bautista. Do you happen to have the interlock device in your vehicle?
I took it off and I got the portable one.
You got the portable, okay. Under what? Safety check or something?
Safety, yes.
All right, safety.
I got it from Bronzeville.
All right, safety check. All right. So then we're going to give you a pretrial date, 9/28/23, September 28, 2023, 9 a.m. However, if you need us to bump it up, let the court know. We'll give you another earlier date. In the meantime, September 28, 2023. And Mr. Bautista, please, no alcohol consumption while these cases are pending. Okay, sir?
Okay.
All right. You stay safe and you're excused. Mr. Munoz, anything else?
Thank you.
That's all I have today, Judge.
All right. Have a great day, sir. Bye-bye.
Thank you, you too.
Bye-bye. Okay.
Okay, Mr.
Mr. Bravo. Mr. Bravo. Pin number right here.
It's number 18.
18 from Mr. Bravo. Okay, Mr. Bravo, good morning, sir.
Morning, Your Honor.
You represent Randy Hernandez?
Yes, Your Honor, I did, Judge. He should be on Zoom. I'm not sure if his
Okay, that's the U325 AC. It could be him. Let's give it a try. Yeah, that's the only one that doesn't have a name or a cause number, so we're thinking it's him. Recognize him, Mr. Rowe?
I think that's it.
Oh, Mr. Rowe.
A little different from his booking photo, Judge.
Okay. Well, he's connecting. I need to ask him if that's him, but he needs to connect first. Yeah, he's going like that. I can hear him. What you can do, Mr. Bravo, is try to get him on the phone and we can use speaker. If it's him.
Judge, it's it.
It is him? Okay. Get him on the phone and we can use the speaker and go that route.
Let me see if I can give him a call.
Okay. Can we read somebody else?
Let's see, Mr. Oaxaca, number 5.
We're going to try to match somebody else here.
No, the client is in his office. He is not logged in under his name.
Okay. Mr. Guajardo?
Right here.
Okay. Mr. Guajardo, can you hear me?
Hey, Judge. Yes.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Mr. Guajardo. Your client is who now?
Yes, his name is Jorge Alanis Lozano, Your Honor.
Jorge Lozano. And he doesn't happen to be there with you?
No, Judge. I've made multiple attempts. I've made phone calls according to the documentation that's provided for in the bond, and as well as issued out letters informing Mr. Lozano of today's arraignment hearing. Having no success at this point, I've already tried other numbers as well, Your Honor, that were provided by the relatives. So
okay, and at this time, as we look in the waiting room, we don't see his name. So therefore, the court will issue an ISI for CR 21-09-475D, Jorge Alanis Lozano. Well, thank you for that information. If you do find him, just let the court know as soon as possible. Okay, sir?
Absolutely, Judge.
All right. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. That's all I have before the court. May I be excused?
You're excused. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
I think Mr. Bravo.
Mr. Brower, you got him on the phone? Mr. Brower now is muted. Yeah, he's probably talking to him right now. And what's his name again? Randy?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Bravo, did you get him on the phone?
Yes, sir, I do have him on the phone.
He's on speaker. He needs interpreting or he doesn't interpret?
No, he's the English speaker.
Okay, Randy Hernandez, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your
All right,
Honor.
good morning, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Your cause number, CR 22-02-198D, Randy Rodriguez Hernandez. Your charge is a DWI, Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. How do you plead today, sir? Not guilty?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
All right, court will enter a not guilty plea. Sir, do you happen to have the interlock device in your vehicle
No, sir.
or the portable on you?
No, Your Honor. No, Your Honor.
Okay, we need your phone number so that we can give you an order so you can find one. Give us your number, please. Phone number, cell number.
Yes, 956-472-5451.
5451.
Correct. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. We're going to set this matter for a compliance hearing, April 14, 10 a.m. April 14, 10 a.m. for compliance hearing. And basically what we're looking for is the proof of the interlock device or the portable. And so you'll be getting an order, Mr. Hernandez, and a list of vendors so you can go find one, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Can you give me time to get the money? How much is it to get it, sir?
I have no idea. Maybe if you talk with your attorney, he can explain it to you, sir.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so in the meantime, you're excused, but please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Brown, would you please explain to him?
Judge, I have.
All right, thank you, Mr. Barber. You're excused. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
We have Mr. Osorio.
Give me a number.
Number 11.
Number 11.
And his client, Gabriel Garcia.
Mr. Osorio.
Good morning, Judge. It's number 1011 on your docket. Your Honor, if I may begin by sincerely apologizing. For some reason, the little camera icon has a little red line through it, and I've been pressing it, and it will not take that little red line off to turn on the camera, Judge.
Okay, but
I apologize.
That's no problem. We recognize your voice unless someone is doing a great impression of you, okay?
I've yet to meet anybody who could, Judge.
Well, anyway, your client is Gabriel Garcia, right?
He needs to unmute.
Gonzalez, yes, Judge.
Okay, he needs to unmute. Can you hear me, Gabriel?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Good morning, Gabriel. I see no video.
Trying to get this working real quick.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Using a phone or a computer?
Are you using a phone or computer?
It's a phone. I'm not really getting the video.
Okay, there should be a little,
It's a phone.
little camera on the bottom. And just click it. It's like taking a selfie.
Oh, okay. All right.
Just to go to my settings to fix this issue.
Okay, Mr. Osorio, do you recognize his voice?
I do, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. Let me. Can you hear me, Mr. Garcia?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, your case CR 21-09545D, Gabriel Gonzalez Garcia. That's your true and correct name?
Yes.
Okay, your charge is it the POM?
It's got 2.
Okay, where's the other one?
11.
Oh, Oh, okay. I remember Mr. Osorio saying number 10 earlier. I remember now. Okay, on this case, it's a Class B possession of marijuana that carries a potential penalty of up to 6 months in jail and not more than a $2,000 fine upon conviction. Then you have CR 21-09544D, Gabriel Garcia, DWI Class A misdemeanor. That carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
And for both cases, how do you plead? Not guilty today?
Yes, yes, Your
All right,
Honor.
we'll enter a not guilty plea here for both cases. And I have a question, Mr. Garcia. Do you happen to have the portable or the interlock device in your vehicle?
No, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
No, Your Honor, I do not.
Okay, we need your phone number, sir. 956?
Yes. 609 1329.
1329?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. With the Class A misdemeanor charge of DWI, it's mandatory that you have either the interlock device in your vehicle or a portable. So you'll be getting an order, so you can go get one and a list of vendors. And but for today, we'll enter the not get. Oh, we'll set it for April 14, 10 a.m. for compliance hearing, and that's basically where we need the proof of the interlock device. April 14, 10 a.m. Okay, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, then in the meantime, please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, sir?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, your excuse. Have a great day.
Your Honor, thank you so much once again. And that concludes my business before this honorable court, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, sir, your excuse. Have a great day. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge. Likewise.
Let's see, Miss Catherine Perez is.
Miss
ready.
Perez.
She was in another court.
Okay. It was Maldonado. Raul Maldonado. This is Miss Perez. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Judge. I apologize for the wait.
No problem, ma'am.
Let's see, Mr.
Your client is Raul Maldonado.
He was logged on earlier.
Yes, he was logged on earlier, but I don't see him anymore.
I apologize, Your Honor. I don't know if maybe the wait.
Well, he could never connect. So even if you get him on the phone, we might have to use speaker.
Okay. Would you like me to contact him or?
Please. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Judge. Give me just a moment.
All right.
I don't know who Mr. Garcia is.
Eloy Garcia, he's probably for somebody. Mr. Garcia, good morning. How you doing?
Good morning, Judge.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Which is your client, Mr. Garcia?
Belinda Gamboa.
Belinda Gamboa. The number. Oh yeah, number 6. All right.
We show Carlos Garcia.
Right. Did you substitute for Mr. Carlos Garcia?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Okay, we need us.
And Miss Gamboa also has another case, but on Odyssey, it has it set for March 29th, 2023. Okay. And I just want to let the court know also that I'll be subbing in for that case as well.
Okay.
We'll put them together.
Okay, we'll put them together.
For what, March 29th?
Well,
what was the other hearing?
The other hearing is a pretrial hearing. That other case is CR 21-03355D. And that one, I believe, is an assault case. And that one was set for March 29th of 2023. And this DWI was set for arraignment today.
Well, okay. Let's see if she has the interlock, because that's going to determine what date we're going to give.
Okay, that's right.
She does have a mobile device, Your Honor.
Okay.
She needs to unmute and she needs to put on her camera.
Right. Let me see if she can unmute. There she is, Belinda. Do we need audio or something?
She's connected.
Can you hear me, Belinda? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Morning.
CR 21-09483D, Belinda Gamboa. Your charge, DWI, Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. How do you plead today, ma'am? Not guilty?
Not guilty.
Court will enter a not guilty plea here today. And I believe you have the portable device
Yes, Your Honor.
under which vendor? Safety check, somebody like that?
It is American and Interlock, I believe.
Okay, American, okay. Well, she's got it. We'll do the which date?
The
again?
March 20.
The March 29th. Your case will be set for March 29th, 2023. Isn't that down the line already? Oh, no, 2023. I'm sorry. March 29th, 2023 for pretrial. I believe we have another case. Both of them will be set together. Pretrial March 29th, 2023 at 9 a.m. I believe. 9 a.m. In the meantime, Miss Gamboa, please no alcohol consumption while this case is pending. Okay, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You all have a great day. Stay safe. Mr. Garcia, anything else?
That's all I have for today, Your Honor.
Have a great day. Stay safe.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Judge. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Number 21, Ms. Perez, her client is in her office.
All right. Number 21, Miss Perez.
See? Judge, my client actually came in since he was having trouble. And so
Okay.
he's standing right here behind me.
Okay, very well, very well. That'll be CR 2202-337D, Raúl Caballero Maldonado. Can you hear me, Mr. Caballero? Mr.
Yes, sir.
Maldonado?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
You're charged DWI Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that, Mr. Maldonado?
Yes, sir.
And today, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty?
Guilty.
Not guilty.
Not guilty.
Not guilty today?
This is just an arraignment. At this point, Judge would like to enter a plea of not guilty.
Okay,
Uh,
today, yeah, okay,
Request
today.
pretrial and trial dates.
All right, today will be not guilty. And then, Mr. Maldonado, do you happen to have the interlock device or the portable?
The portable, the one at the house?
Is it on
Yes.
your phone or your car?
No, it's at the house.
Okay.
In your car or what?
No, it's the one you blow in the house. You hook up to it.
Okay, okay, she's got the portable. Okay, okay, very good, very good. We got it, we got it. Pretrial date. That'll be September 28th, 2023. September 28th, 2023 at 9 a.m. If
2023, Judge?
Yes. If
Okay.
you need us to bump it up, let the court know, ma'am.
Yes, Judge.
If you happen to work something out, alternatively, please let the court know.
Yes,
And
Judge.
we will
I
give
sure
you
will.
definitely an earlier date. In the meantime, Mr. Maldonado, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, sir?
Okay.
Thank
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
Judge. That's all we have. Maybe we've
You,
excused.
you all stay safe. You're excused. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Judge.
Bye-bye.
Mr. Arredondo, I don't know what he has.
Mr. Arredondo, give me a number. Oh, he got
I don't
it.
know.
Okay. Yes, sir, Mr. Arredondo, can you hear me?
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Which is your client?
Yes, sir. We have Nicholas Maxwell.
Oh, yeah, Maxwell. I saw Maxwell earlier.
Number 17. So is he subbing in for Jaime Alemán?
All right, Mr. Arredondo, you're subbing in for Aleman?
Judge, Miro Arredondo, I'm sitting in for Mr. Terry Palacios, Judge.
Okay.
Mr. Terry Palacios got retained on this case, Judge.
Okay,
We need a
Arredondo.
motion to substitute.
Yeah, we need an order for substitution, right?
Motion and order.
Motion and the order
We'll
for
get that done.
substitute. Good, we have it. Yes, we have it under Jaime Aleman. But Mr. Zachary,
Nicholas
Okay.
Maxwell.
yeah, Nicholas Zachary Maxwell. Okay. He's connecting right now as we speak. All right, no connection yet from Mr. Maxwell. You may have to give him a phone call there, Mr. Redondo.
Yes, Judge. I'll check some good.
And if anything, we need to put him on the speaker, on the cell phone. Maybe that'll work.
Oh,
Is that him right there? Is that him right there?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I see him now. Can you hear me, Mr. Maxwell?
Doesn't have audio.
No, no audio. Okay, maybe.
He got it. He got it.
Okay, I think we got it now. Mr. Maxwell, you need to unmute. He needs to unmute.
Unmuted, sir.
There you go. Good morning. How you doing?
Good morning, sir. How are you doing, sir?
Fine, fine. Thank you, sir. Your case number CR 2202-116D, Nicholas Zachary Maxwell. Your charge, DWI, Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. And what's your plea this morning, sir? Not guilty?
Yes, Judge. He's entering a plea, Your Honor.
All right, court will enter a not guilty plea. Mr. Maxwell, do you happen to have the interlock device in your vehicle or the portable?
No, sir.
Okay, because it's a Class A misdemeanor DWI, it is mandatory that you have either or. We need your phone number. Can we have your phone number, 956?
Sir, area code 646
646.
351
Okay.
9758.
9758. All right. All right. You're going to be getting an order and a list of vendors so you can get a interlock device. And then we'll set the date, April 14th. April 14th, 10 a.m. for compliance hearing or status. And that'll be where you will show the court the proof that you had the interlock device or the mobile. So in the meantime, Mr. Maxwell, please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
And we'll see you here on April 14 at 10 a.m. But once you get that interlock device, please let your attorney know, okay?
Yes, sir. I'll contact him after.
Okay. All right. Thank you all. Y'all may be excused. Have a great day, folks.
Likewise, sir. Thank you.
Yes, bye-bye, huh?
Mr. Munoz, number 3, and his client Stephanie Santos.
All right, Mr. Munoz.
Good morning, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Munoz, good morning. Number 3. Your client was on, and I think.
Oh, there she is, Judge. I haven't spoken to her, Judge. I was appointed on this case. I'm going to ask her to call my office, I guess, after the hearing.
Okay. So today, more than likely, we're going to enter a not guilty plea.
That's correct, Judge.
And we're having a hard time connecting. Oh, there she is. She's connected. She needs to unmute, and can we see some video? Miss Stephanie, can you hear me? Mrs. Nettles, can you hear me? You need to unmute, Mrs. Nettles. All right.
Judge, I do have one other case, Judge. I don't know if my client's in the waiting area. His name is Antonio Santos.
Antonio what?
Santos, Judge. It's
Asantes.
Or CR 2109-426.
Yes, he is in the waiting room.
What's the case number?
Right here, number 4. Oh, I got it. It's Antonio de la Cruz Santos. Right?
If George got hired, we need a motion and an order to substitute. We show Eduardo Rendon.
Right. Did you hear that, Mr. Munoz?
Yes, Judge. We'll have it filed, Judge. He's here at my office. We'll file it. I think it should be filed already, Judge, but in the event it's not, we'll file it this morning.
Okay. And you know what? I think his name is Asantes with an A in front. That'll be number 4.
And I believe he's a Spanish speaker, Judge.
Okay.
They locked them on, so I don't know. Señor Antonio, ¿qué es su apellido? ¿Es Santos o Asantes?
Santos.
Santos. Okay, yeah, it's correct. I think they locked them on.
Okay. I got both here, so I'm going to have to get it corrected now.
Yo le voy a traducir lo que el juez le está preguntando, señor Antonio.
Well, good morning, Mr.
Buenos
Santos.
días, señor Santos.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
Your case number, CR 2109-426D, Antonio de la Cruz Santos. Your charge, DWI, Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
En el caso de usted, señor Antonio, SR 2109426D, el estado de Texas contra Antonio de la Cruz Santos, a usted lo acusan de andar manejando en el estado de ebriedad, que es una clase A. Bajo la ley es no más de una multa de $4,000 y no más de 1 año en la cárcel. La pregunta del juez es, ¿usted comprende eso, sí o no?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay, and how do you plead, sir? Not guilty?
¿Y cómo se declara? ¿Culpable o no culpable?
Yes, Judge. We enter a plea of not guilty, Judge. Request a pretrial and trial date, Judge.
All right, not guilty will be the plea that we can enter here today.
Señor Santos, ¿se le ha ordenado a usted el aparato que va en su vehículo de alcohol o el portable?
¿Mande?
¿Usted
Disculpe.
tiene el aparato que va en su vehículo?
No,
¿Y el portable?
no.
Okay, then we need his phone number. It'll be 956.
¿Tiene un teléfono, señor Santos?
Sí,
Déselo a la corte, por favor.
776
776
776
2565 2565 776 2565.
And I believe it's 956, right?
Yes.
956-776-2525. I mean 25.
65.
65. Okay, that's what it is. Okay. Okay, Mr. Santos, you will be getting an order so that you can have one, and then we'll set your case for April 14 at 10 a.m. for status hearing or compliance hearing.
Señor Santos, por ley, el juez tiene que ordenarle ese aparato de alcohol que va en su vehículo, porque como usted lo arrestaron por una clase A, y eso es mandatorio por el estado de Texas. Solo que va a hacer la corte va a firmar una orden, donde ahí le indica que por orden de la corte del juez Garza, usted tiene que ir a que le pongan ese aparato, ya sea el aparato que va en su vehículo o el portátil, ¿ok? Usted tiene que tener eso y tiene que tener prueba, porque usted tiene que regresar a corte el día 14 de abril a las 10 de la mañana. Ok, so es importante de que usted cumpla con esa orden antes de esta fecha, porque usted tiene que llevarle prueba a su abogado que ya tiene, que ya cumplió con esa orden.
Está bien.
Ok, cualquier pregunta, pregúntele a su abogado.
Okay, sir. Please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending. Okay,
Y
sir.
por favor, señor Santis,
Santos.
no consumir alcohol mientras este caso esté pendiente.
All right. Thank you, sir. Have a great day. You're excused. You, Mr. Munoz. I think
Gracias, se
you're-
puede
Thank you,
retirar.
Judge.
Pase buen día.
I don't know if Miss Stephanie Cisneros, Judge. I know she's on there. I sent her a direct message asking her to unmute and turn on the video. I haven't received a response, Judge.
Okay.
And she can hear because she has audio.
Can you get her on the phone? See if maybe can you
I
speak
don't
her?
have her contact
Okay,
information, Judge. We hadn't been able to get a hold of her.
Okay. Miss Stephanie Cisneros, can you please unmute? All right, then
Judge.
what number is that?
Somebody.
Judge,
Yes, ma'am.
we have a phone number in the system of 956. I don't know if Mr. Munoz wants to get it.
Yes,
Okay, Mr. Munoz.
956
Okay.
651
Okay.
6101.
651. Let me call her right now.
Okay, try to get her right now, Mr. Munoz, while I try to get someone else.
Yes, Judge.
All right. Jackson, okay. All right. Good morning, Mr. Jackson. How you doing, sir?
Very good, Judge. I'm here with Mr. Lozano. We're present and ready for arraignment. Pásale para acá, Mr. Lozano.
Mr. Lozano. Okay, okay.
Jorge Lozano.
Is it Jorge Lozano?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Okay, he was number 5. That's Uriel Guajardo. So if Mr.
Give me a number.
Jackson was hired, we need a motion and an order for substitution.
Oh, okay. All right, we got, okay. Court will hereby withdraw or recall the nice side on CR 2109-475D, Jorge Aranis Lozano. No more nice side because Mr. Lozano is next door, next to Mr. Jackson there. Yes, and Mr. Jackson, we have Uriel Alex Guajardo as the attorney of record. So we need a motion and an order?
Yes, sir. We can do that, Judge.
To sub.
Okay.
Okay, to sub. Okay. And so therefore, can you hear me, Mr. Lozano?
¿Lo puede escuchar?
Sí, sí, lo escucho.
Okay.
Yes, I can hear you.
Will he need interpreting?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay,
But I
okay,
can interpret for you if you want.
No. We got either here. Don't worry.
Okay.
CR 2109-475D, Jorge Alanis Lozano, your charge, Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Señor Lozano, en el caso de usted, CR 2109475D, el estado de Texas contra Jorge Alanis Lozano, a usted lo acusan de andar manejando en el estado de ebriedad, el segundo caso, que es una clase A. Bajo la ley es no más de una multa de $4,000 y no más de un año en la cárcel. ¿Usted comprende eso, sí o no?
Sí.
Yes.
All right. How do you plead this morning, sir? Guilty, not guilty?
¿Y esta mañana cómo se declara?
Not guilty.
Not
Not
guilty.
guilty. All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea here. Mr. Lozano, do you happen to have the interlock device in your vehicle or the
Señor
portable?
Lozano, ¿usted tiene el aparato de alcohol en su vehículo o el portátil?
No.
No.
Okay, we need the phone number. We need your phone number, sir, so we can send you an order. You can go find one.
Lo que va a hacer el juez Garza, le va a ordenar el aparato, señor Lozano, porque por ley tiene que ordenarla porque a usted lo acusan de una clase A, so eso es mandatorio por el estado de Texas. So, él va a firmar una orden y usted tiene que ir a tener ese aparato antes del 14 de abril, porque usted tiene que regresar el 14 de abril con prueba de que usted ya tiene ese aparato. Se lo entrega a su abogado para que él se lo pueda entregar a la corte. Ahorita lo que la corte necesita, Mr. Lozano, es un teléfono.
¿Tu número de teléfono?
495.
No.
492. 492-4898.
Ok, 492-4898. Área 956?
Sí.
Yes.
492-4898.
492-4898, yes.
4898. Okay, so therefore, for April 14, right?
Yes.
Compliance hearing, I think you were told
Yes.
April 14 at 10 a.m. So as soon as you get it, Mr. Lozano, the device, please let your attorney know.
Tal usted tenga el aparato, por favor, dele saber a su abogado.
Okay, sir, so please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay,
Y
sir?
por favor, no tomar alcohol mientras este caso esté pendiente.
Okay?
Okay.
All right, so thank you all very much. You all stay safe and you're excused.
Judge,
Bye-bye.
always a pleasure. You have a wonderful day.
Thank you,
Take
sir.
care.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, back to Mr. Munoz.
Well, Mr. Munoz,
Did he handle his back?
Mr. Munoz, did you get a hold of your client?
No, Judge, I called her. I left her a voicemail. I've sent her 4 or 5 messages through the Zoom
Okay.
this morning, but I have no communication.
Yeah, it could be because if you're just new and you're about to get in contact with her, she probably thinks it's a phone number that's just annoying and she didn't pick it up. What case was it? What number?
That's number 3.
Number 3? She was on, but she just couldn't unmute, right?
No,
Yeah,
well,
she's
she
now.
can hear. She can hear all the proceedings because she has audio,
She has audio, okay.
so she can hear.
Well, in the meantime, one more last time here before I do an eyesight here. What is it? The number? CR 2109-349D, Stephanie Lee Cisneros. Can you hear me, Mrs. Cisneros? You need to unmute.
Señora Cisneros, escucha al juez. Si puede oprimir el botón porque no tiene audio.
Which button? Can you describe the button? Okay.
Si no contesta, el juez va a hacer una orden de arresto. Es importante de que oprima el botón del sonido, por favor.
Judge, and for the record, I've already sent a message via.
Okay, she got it. She got it. She got it. She got audio.
Well,
All right, thank you, Rick.
sorry.
Stephanie Cisneros,
Yes.
can you hear me?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes. Do you have any audio? I mean, video?
Yeah, I have video. I'm sorry.
Yeah, we need to see you. Yeah, please.
Yeah, I'm sorry. It's because I had been on the call since 10 and I didn't know when they were gonna do it.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
But okay. So your case is CR 2109-349D, Stephanie Lee Cisneros?
Yes.
Okay, your charge, DWI, Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yes.
How do you plead? Not guilty today?
I plead guilty.
No,
All right, now.
for right now, Ms. Cisneros, we're going to go ahead and enter a plea of not guilty. If you can please call my office after the court and I'll help you discuss your case.
Okay. Mr. Munoz, do you have to give the number right now? Because maybe they don't recognize your number.
I can give you the number. Do you have a pen where you can write down?
Okay, give me 1 second. Let me go.
Okay, so it's a not guilty plea for right now, Mr. Munoz.
Yes, Judge.
And we need to ask about the interlock device, okay, before I forget here.
I don't have a pen on me.
Or what is
Well,
your
anyway,
Stephanie Cisneros?
Yeah, but what is your phone number, Stephanie?
Oh, 956
okay,
651
Okay.
6101.
Okay, that's the number we got from the court. We tried reaching out to you, but I guess you probably have a missed call on your phone. That's the number here to the office. If you can just call us after the hearing.
Okay.
okay, I have a question. Do you happen to have the interlock device in your vehicle or the portable? With you?
As soon as the accident happened, my parents kind of took away my vehicle because I didn't even have a license. So
Okay.
I have had a vehicle.
Okay, because the charge is a Class A misdemeanor DWI, and by law, you have to have the portable or the interlock device. Either portable, something you carry with you, or the interlock device. So we're gonna be sending you an order and a list of vendors so you can get one. And then we're gonna set the case for April 14, 10 a.m. for compliance hearing. April 14, 10 a.m. for compliance hearing. And hopefully you will get the device here before that date. But as soon as you get it, you let your attorney know. But for sure, April 14, 10 a.m. so we can have proof, okay?
For the proof of the breathalyzer or the
Yeah, breathalyzer or the interlock device or the portable. In the meantime, no alcohol consumption. Well, this case is pending, okay?
Okay. I was gonna ask, as far as like not having a vehicle for that, that's what the portable does, right? Like I could.
That's why you have a portable that you carry with you. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, it's either or, one or the other.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. Your excuse, please. No alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay?
Alrighty, thank you.
All right, take care.
All I
Bye-bye.
have this morning, Judge. Can I be excused?
You may be excused, Mr. Munoz.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have Mr. Joshua Valderas.
Okay.
His attorney, Mr. Oscar
will-
Flores, is in
okay.
the trial.
Right. Let's bring in Mr. Joshua
Yes, he's
Valderas.
with it. He just needs to unmute.
Okay, Mr. Valderas, you need to unmute.
There you go.
All right, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Your attorney, Oscar Rene Flores, is real busy right now awaiting a verdict on a murder trial. So that's why he's not here today. But we will enter a not guilty plea on your case, CR 21-05-292D, Joshua Randy Valderas. And Mr. Valderas, do you happen to have the interlock device in your vehicle or the portable device on you?
No, not at this moment.
Okay, could we have your phone number, 956?
996 4212.
4212?
Yes.
Okay, 4212. Okay, there we go. By law, because it's a Class A charge, you need to have one. Now, we're going to set the case for April 14, 10 a.m. You need to tell this to your attorney or his office. April 14, 10 a.m. for a compliance hearing, okay? And basically what we need is the proof of that you got the device or the portable. Okay? So for today, the main thing is not guilty plea. And the second thing is you're going to be getting an interlock device. And the third thing is we're going to set it for April the 14th. And the fourth thing, please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay?
Okay.
All right, you take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Anybody else going to bring in?
That is it.
That's it for right now?
That concludes the-
All right,
arraignment.
then. Okay, Mr. Martinez and staff.